Everybody, is Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this top knot bun with these cute curled bangs. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be using a bundle of kinky straight hair. I bleached this hair one time and got like this brown color, and I wanted to do bangs and I realized I didn't have any extra pieces, but I found these kinky curly clip-ins that I had in my closet. These are pre-colored and it's like a 1B33, but it ended up matching that bundle very closely. So I'm going to start by just blow drying this clip out because I'm going to flat iron it so that it's straight and closer to the texture of the bundle. Then I'm just going to take my flat iron and run that through that clip just to give it that kinky straight look like the bundle. And as you can see, surprisingly, they both matched pretty close. Now I'm going to start prepping my natural hair. I'm just going through with the wide tooth comb, making sure that it's detangled. And I'm going to start by sectioning off the area for the bang. So I'm just parting my hair down the middle. And then I'm going to carve out like 2 small triangles on each side. And then I'm just going to twist that area out the way. So this is the first side that I did. And I'm just twisting it to keep it out the way, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It took me a while. I was going kind of back and forth just to make sure that the sections had the same amount of hair and that it was the same density. As you can see right here, it was too much on one side, so I did off camera go back and even them out a little more. So I'm going to just clip that out the way, and I'm going to start brushing my hair into a bun. I've already been wearing my hair in a bun, so I didn't have to do too much work. But yeah, I'm just brushing my hair up. I'm using this Luster Slick Stick to kind of smooth my hair up. Honestly, this doesn't really give a great hold, but when I'm doing like kinky straight looks, it is kind of good to just kind of help mold my hair up without making it wave up too much. And then I'm just going to take a scrunchie and put my hair into a ponytail. And then once my hair is in a ponytail, I'm just going to take those loose ends and I'm going to twirl it and try to get it into the smallest bun possible, and then I'm securing it with another scrunchie. Next, I'm going to go into my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and I'm just going to tame my edges a little bit, get my baby hairs together. Honestly, this was kind of unnecessary because when the bangs fall, you don't even see any of those areas. But yeah, I'm just doing my edges, slicking them around like I like them. And so for my ponytail, I'm just doing the old school way where you just wrap the bundle around your little natural bun. I've been doing this forever, and this is just my preferred method. I don't like using glue to put on my ponytails. I don't like sewing them on. I like to be able to take my hair down at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm just wrapping that around my bun. And then once it's all around, I'm just going to secure the end with a bobby pin. And then originally I planned on doing like a messy ponytail, so I'm just taking some of that hair to create a band at the base of the ponytail to cover the weft. So that's what you see me doing here. If you're going to do a bun, you don't really need to, you can skip this part, but again, originally I had planned on doing a messy ponytail. So I already have a video on how to do like this messy, kinky, curly ponytail. So I'm following those same steps. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But I'm just going in with my curling iron and I'm putting in some random wand curls. Again, this is messy, so they don't have to be perfect. I'm just grabbing random sections and wrapping it around, holding it for a little bit and letting it be. And when I'm finished curling, I'm just taking some freeze spray and I'm just going to spray my hair just to give those curls a little hold so that they don't fall too quickly. I'm also just spraying around my hair just to give my ponytail a sleeker hold, and then I'm just combing out these curls a little bit with my hand, teasing it, fluffing it out, all of that extra stuff, making it messy. And then I tied my hair down for a little bit off camera just to let my base kind of set, and yeah, got dressed and all that stuff. And now we're going to finish this look off with the bangs. So I'm taking my flat iron and I'm going to do one pass on my natural hair, and then that clip that I'm using, it's actually a 2-clip weft, so I'm just going to cut it in half, and so I have a clip for each side. So I'm gonna clip that in right underneath that hair that I left out, and then I'm just going to comb my natural hair in it. So these clip-ins were kind of long, so I'm just gonna trim it a little bit to frame my face, and then I'm going in with my curling iron and I'm just doing a barrel curl away from my face. And you should end up with something like this. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on that other side. So doing one pass through my natural hair, taking that clip and setting it right underneath my natural hair. Honestly, my hair is getting kind of long. If I had a natural bun with just my real hair, I honestly could have did bangs with my real hair, but I wanted to be extra, so I'm adding in these clips for fullness. And yeah, I forgot to cut this side first, so you see me curling it here, and then I'm gonna go back and cut it, measure it up with that other side, and then cut it. Then I'm just going in with my brush and making sure that everything's blended kind of properly. And yeah, just kind of getting a feel for it. And y'all, that ponytail was just a little too messy, especially with the hair in my face. It was just a lot going on. So I decided to turn it into a bun. So I'm just taking that hair and just wrapping it around real effortlessly, not doing any special techniques. This is a real kind of natural, effortless kind of look, but it came out really pretty. Yeah, I really enjoyed this hairstyle and I will definitely be doing it again. So here is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I think this is a perfect style, especially for like holiday parties with a nice cute fancy dress. I think it'll be really cute. It's giving me a little bit of 90s vibe, But yeah, I really like the way that this hairstyle came out. So again, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next video. Bye.